everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to look at just a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a true X55 code Super Sport car. Most of the cars, I can't guarantee they're to be true SSs because they don't have the codes on them. This one does. This one has it on the trim tag so that we know that this is a true Super Sport. Alabama car went through a complete body-up restoration. They said 5-6 years ago. It's got like 3,000 miles on it since it was done. Pretty color on this. This is called Red Pearl, and it is beautiful. It's got the white hockey stripe on the front, and then it's got all new Hounds Tooth Deluxe interior. Really cool little Restomod, guys. They've got it lowered all the way around. It's got a little mini tub in the back, and they did a beautiful job on that. Pretty color. It's got a nasty little cam in it. It's got vintage air. Bumpers are nice. Front and rear spoilers. Again, slick paint. Cracked SS hood. Sorry, it's gotten dusty out here. Unfortunately, we got a ton of road construction out here right now. It's just a mess. Matter of fact, we're not even going to drive them down the road because the whole way of Dixie Highway here is just a complete mess. That's a little wax we just mixed, guys, if you see that. Great stance, nice and straight down the sides. Those are actually 11-inch wide rear wheels on this thing. It's got 17-inch American Racing torque thrust all the way around it. ZR rated rubber. Car, I will tell you this, nice and tight. It's got tubular front control arms on it, and it really steers out good. Hits the road good. Again, nasty little cam in it. Those are 17 by 11s. Really pretty color. And these are 17.7s in the front. Disc brakes. Again, good running small block 350 underneath the hood. You can see they smoothed the firewall. Again, tubular front, tubular control arms, vintage air, Edelbrock 4-barrel Edelbrock aluminum intake, nice little cam, headers, power steering, power disc brakes, 400 tubohydramatic trans. It's got a Mallory. I think there might even be MSD. No, I think it's a Mallory box. It's got MSD wires on it. HEI distributor in it. It's got frame ties. Couple little touch-up marks, but boy, there's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car, guys. Love the color. Dual chrome mirrors. Again, it's all deluxe interior, which is nice. Love the Hounds Tooth. Headliner looks great. Buckets, console. Tilt column with the sport wheel, 3,059 miles. You can see that in there. Tach works. All your gauges are functional. It's got a audio sounds radio in there. It's got a CD changer in the rear. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got the chrome tips. 10 bolt, 323 limited slip rear axle. Again, it's mini tub, custom fuel tank, and look how nice. You really can't even tell that thing's mini tub. They did a beautiful job on those tubs. Radio works, air blows cold. Again, it's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. Really nice car, man. Nice underneath. And built to cruise. There's no big monster gear or anything like that. Like I say, they put air on it. They built it to cruise it. Yeah, seats are nice. They've been all redone. That's for your CD changer. It's got the wood grain trim on it. Factory tag, but it's got aftermarket gauge cluster in there. And all that stuff was working too. Yeah, nice okay. They can just kick your air on. Air blows cold. Fun car. Nice driver, guys. Like I say, it's not overdone, so you can cruise it. Tach works. Again, all the gauges are functional, hold good oil pressure in there. Radio works. Everything opens and closes really nice. Backup lights work. Car hits good. Good sound. Radio works, like I say. All your gauges in there. Functional fuel gauge works, holding good oil pressure. Sorry about the dust, guys. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.